Managing documents manually in a table format can be overwhelming. But what if there was a faster, smarter way? Meet DocMatrix, the AI-powered tool that makes document management simple. It identifies common fields in similar documents and arranges them in a structured table, automatically linking data to its respective file. Getting started is easy. Just upload your files, and DocMatrix takes care of the rest. It extracts the relevant data and organizes it into a clear, structured format, ready for review or direct import into a database. DocMatrix is transforming data management across industries. Public procurement, automating invoice processing, cutting delays, and improving accuracy. Municipal corporations, streamlining work order management, reducing errors, and increasing transparency. Public works, simplifying audits by linking contract records for faster retrieval. Urban development, organizing vendor data efficiently, making project tracking seamless. Save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency with DocMatrix. Get started today.